Sheesh.
Technologia.
Alright, so my son just locked the keys in the car and I get to go get him out. So I've done this before, a long time ago. So let's see if I still got it. Not looking forward to this. At least I parked in the shade. So there's that. I have experience in this field. Not illegal experience, but nonetheless I have experience. So look, this one's locked. All four are locked. We already checked all four. So, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Oh my God. Come on, dude. What if I do this? Unorthodox, but look, it's working. Oh. Okay. I just need to get something in there. Okay, I think I'm gonna try that instead. Because I mean, my car's already all scratched up anyways. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I got a few different tools. You can see how these go. Got me a little pry bar. Check it out. Look at that. Look at that gap already. Okay. I got this little piece of metal. It's a little bit bent, so I'm bending it a little bit more. I think that might actually work. Okay, hold on, I need another set of eyes. All right, bro, we're gonna do something. Yes, we're gonna try to get the keys, please. Look, right, I just need to hold it right here, bro. Look, just like this.
Okay.
I just need to see the button to press right there.
Okay.
See that? Hold it. Hold it right there, bro.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, bitch. Okay, let's see. Oh, fuck.
Let's go.
Let's go. Technology.
Technologia. Technologia.
Grab yours in the TikTok shop down below. Sheesh. Check it out, look. Trunk. Open the trunk, bro. Nice. Your dad's a genius, huh?